Hey guys, EG Scary here, unboxing items from Amazon. So we just opened this box and it wound up having two masks in it, so now we're opening it and pulling out the second mask. And this one is Momo, and it's actually the brand Momo latex mask. So let's open the sucker up and give it a test drive. So this one is actually a full all latex inside. It is a little bit thicker, full head of hair, and has its tag going through the nose. So let's give her a try on. Alright guys, so the Momo mask does not fit me at all. I can't see out the eye holes, so hopefully you have an idea of what it looks like. I don't even know if I'm in frame. Don't even know if I'm in frame. So Momo. So for me, this one does not fit at all. I can't see anything. I'm only looking for the camera light. So this mask has no visibility. The eye slits are all the way up here and my eyes are actually down here. So I can't see you, and I don't even know if I'm in frame. So I'm just gonna spin around and let you take a look. Hopefully I don't trip over the tripod. So this mask is worthless for trying to wear it. Get away from the mask. So, the light. Momo! 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 So, hopefully this gives you an idea what it looks like. Or don't like. But definitely give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching. EG Scary out.